Xiaomi Mi Band 4C with up to 14 days battery life, 5 ATM water resistance launched. Xiaomi Mi Band 4C has been launched in Taiwan, as the global version of the Redmi Band launched in China in April. It has a rectangular design and comes in 4 color options. The Mi Band 4C delivers 14 days of battery life on a single charge, according to Xiaomi, and does not require a USB cable for charging. It comes with a colored touchscreen and heart rate monitoring, along with fitness tracking and water resistance, all packed into a lightweight body. Mi Band 4C price. The Mi Band 4C by Xiaomi is priced at 495 Taiwan dollars, roughly 1,300 rupees. It is available in 4 color options, namely, graphite black, deep blue, olive green, and vibrant orange. The color names have been translated. It is available for purchase in Taiwan, and as of now there is no information on international availability for the Mi Band 4C. Mi Band 4C specifications and features. The Xiaomi Mi Band 4C features a 1.08-inch colored touchscreen with a resolution of 128x220 pixels, 200 nits brightness, and 2D tempered glass. It comes with a 130 mAh battery that the company says can last up to 14 days. The Mi Band 4C weighs 13 grams and comes with Bluetooth V5.0 for connecting to Android devices running OS version 4.4 or higher and iOS devices. The Mi Band 4C has 5 ATM water resistance and comes with tracking for 5 sports modes including outdoor running, cycling, exercise, fast walking, and treadmill. You get 24-hour heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and sedentary reminders. The Mi Band 4C shows notifications from apps, calls, and lets you control your music as well. To charge the smart band, it needs to be connected directly into a USB port. There is also a tri-axis accelerometer, and the smart band can be used to locate the connected device as well. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.